Have you ever wondered how long it will take for your investment to double? Well, in the world of finance, there's a quick and easy way to estimate this, and it's called the Rule of 72. This fascinating rule is a simple mathematical concept that can help you get a good grasp on your financial future. It's essentially a shortcut that lets you calculate the number of years needed to double your money at a given annual rate of return. So, how does this work? You simply divide the number 72 by the annual rate of return, and voila. The result is an approximation of how many years it will take for your initial investment to double. It's like having a crystal ball for your finances. So are you ready to take control of your investments and understand their growth potential better? So stick around, and you'll soon be able to estimate your financial growth with the Rule of 72. Now, you might be wondering, how does this rule work? Well, it's simpler than you might think. The Rule of 72 is all about dividing. Yes, you heard that right. It's about division. But don't worry, you won't need a calculator or a degree in mathematics for this. Here's how it works. You take the number 72 and divide it by the interest rate of your investment. The result? An approximate number of years it would take for your investment to double. Yes, you heard it right, double. Let's illustrate this with an example. Suppose your interest rate is 6%. What you do is divide 72 by 6. What do you get? 12. Now, what does this 12 signify? This 12 represents the number of years it would take for your investment to double, given an interest rate of 6%. Isn't that fascinating? With just a simple calculation, you can predict the potential growth of your investment. And the best part is, it doesn't just apply to one type of investment. Whether you've put your money in a savings account, a retirement fund, or even stocks, the Rule of 72 can help you anticipate how your money will grow over time. Think of it as a financial compass. It doesn't give you the exact location, but it points you in the right direction. It's a tool that can help you make informed decisions. It allows you to understand the potential of your investments and how long it might take for them to yield significant returns. But remember, like any rule, it's not foolproof. It's an approximation, a guideline. It's there to assist you, not dictate your financial decisions. It's a tool in your financial toolbox, one of many that can help guide your investment strategy. So, in essence, the Rule of 72 gives you a quick and easy way to determine how your investments will grow over time. It's a simple tool, but one with a powerful impact. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at what you discover. So, how can you use this rule in your everyday life? Well, the Rule of 72 has a number of practical applications that can aid in your financial planning and decision-making. Let's explore a few of them. Firstly, the Rule of 72 can be an excellent tool to compare different investment options. Say, for instance, you're considering two investment opportunities, one with a 6% return rate and the other with an 8% return rate. Using the Rule of 72, you can quickly calculate that the first investment will double in about 12 years, while the second will double in 9. This immediate comparison can help you make informed decisions about where to put your hard-earned money. Secondly, the rule can be a handy guide to plan for your financial goals. If you're saving for a house, a college fund, or retirement, you can use the Rule of 72 to estimate how long it will take for your savings to reach a certain amount, based on the interest rate you're earning. For example, if you're earning a 7% interest rate, your savings will double in approximately 10 years. Knowing this can help you set realistic savings targets and timelines. Lastly, the Rule of 72 can also help you understand the effects of inflation on your savings. Inflation can erode the purchasing power of your money over time. If the inflation rate is 3%, for instance, the value of your money will halve in about 24 years. This understanding can help you plan better for the future and ensure your savings keep pace with or exceed inflation. As you can see, this simple rule can be a powerful tool in your financial toolkit. From comparing investments, planning for financial goals, to understanding inflation, the Rule of 72 can provide valuable insights that can guide your financial decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you understand about how money works, the better equipped you'll be to make it work for you. As you can see, this simple rule can be a powerful tool in your financial toolkit. Scene Script, like any tool, the Rule of 72 has its benefits and limitations. The Rule of 72 is a simple yet powerful tool. Its greatest strength lies in its simplicity and ease of use. You don't need a calculator or advanced math skills to use it. All you need is the interest rate and a bit of multiplication and division. This makes it incredibly accessible and useful for anyone, whether you're a seasoned investor or simply someone looking to understand how your savings might grow over time. One of the key benefits of the Rule of 72 is its ability to provide a good approximation for small rates of return. When dealing with interest rates of around 6% or less, the Rule of 72 can give you a quick and fairly accurate estimate of how long it will take for your investment to double. However, like all tools, the Rule of 72 is not without its limitations. Its accuracy diminishes as interest rates increase. For rates of return above 12%, the Rule of 72 can start to overestimate the time it will take for an investment to double. So, if you're dealing with high-interest investments, you may want to use a more precise calculation method. Another limitation of the Rule of 72 is that it doesn't account for additional contributions or withdrawals from the investment. It assumes that the investment is a one-time lump sum that is left to grow undisturbed. This means that if you're regularly adding to or taking money out of your investment, the Rule of 72 won't give you a completely accurate picture of your investment's growth. Moreover, it's important to remember that the Rule of 72 doesn't take into account the effects of taxes or fees, which can significantly impact your actual returns. While the Rule of 72 is not a one-size-fits-all solution, it's a helpful rule of thumb to keep in mind when making financial decisions. But as with all financial tools, it's essential to understand its limitations and to use it as part of a larger financial strategy.